Hi, welcome to this revision video where I'm looking at random exam style questions for GCSE level maths, and it's a mixture of higher tier and foundation, and as I go through I'll be very explicit and clear on which questions are for foundation and which questions are for higher. Okay, so this is a fantastic revision and a really good revision video, okay, that looks at random exam style questions from previous exam papers, okay, and it helps you just give you that extra bit of confidence, okay, with looking at some random topics for GCSE level maths, okay. Right guys, we're going to start with question number 1. Work out 2/3 of 48. So this is what I call a fraction of an amount. I divide by the denominator and then times by the numerator. So divide by the bottom times by the top. 48 divided by 3 is 16. Okay, so 1/3 of 48 is 16. 2/3 is 16 times 2. Okay, so 2 lots of 16. Which is 32. Now I can do it another way, which is times by the top and then divide by the bottom. That's also fine. So I can do 2 times 48, which is 96, divided by 3, and I get 32. So either way is fine, guys. Okay, this is question number 2. Find the value of x when 2x plus 3 equals 0. Well, I take away 3 on both sides to balance the equation. So I get 2x is equal to -3. 2x means 2 times x. So the opposite of times by 2 is dividing by 2. So dividing both sides by 2, I get x is equal to -3/2 or -3/2. Or -1.5 or -1.5. Either one of those answers is sufficient and correct, okay? This is question number 3. 6x minus 15. So factorize this, so put it into a single bracket. So the highest common factor of 6x and 15. So 6 and 15 is 3. So 3 is the biggest number that goes into both 6 and 15. That is the largest possible number that goes into both. Okay, 3 brackets 2x minus 5, brackets closed. Okay, this is question number 4. Expand this single bracket. 5z times z is 5z squared. So be very careful. Remember that z times z is z squared. 5z times positive 18 is positive 90z. Okay, so each term is being multiplied by 5z, which is on the outside of the bracket. Okay, this is question number 5, guys. Find